The world is watching missiles, military alerts, and rising tensions in the Middle East. But far from the battlefield, another war may be unfolding inside the financial markets. And at the center of it all is Donald Trump. A growing number of analysts, traders, and political observers are asking one explosive question. Is Trump using the US-Iran war crisis to control the markets? Some experts say the pattern is impossible to ignore. Every time tensions with Iran rise, oil prices react instantly. Every time Trump speaks about peace or de-escalation, stocks rebound. Every time he warns of escalation, markets panic. And every time the tone softens, investors rush back in. One strategist used a phrase that is now going viral. He has the market in a chokehold. That line reflects what many people believe is happening in 2026. Markets are no longer moving only because of inflation, earnings, or interest rates. They are moving because of Trump's words. Think about that. Normally, investors watch company profits, economic growth, unemployment data, and central bank decisions. But in recent weeks, many traders have been watching something else more closely than anything. Trump speeches. Trump interviews. Trump posts. Trump headlines. Why? Because one sentence can move oil prices. One warning can erase billions. One positive signal can spark a rally. One message can change global sentiment overnight. And when war is involved, the impact becomes even bigger. The US-Iran conflict has created fears about energy supply, military escalation, and wider instability. In times like these, markets become extremely sensitive. Oil can surge. Stocks can fall. Safe haven assets can rise. But then Trump speaks. If he sounds confident, markets calm down. If he hints the conflict may end soon, stocks jump. If he promises stronger action, some sectors rally while others fall. This is why critics say Trump understands exactly how much power he holds over market psychology. They argue he knows headlines move emotions. Emotions move traders. And traders move markets. Supporters see it very differently. They say he is doing what any leader should do in a crisis, projecting strength, reassuring investors, and preventing panic. According to them, if markets rise after he speaks, that is not manipulation. It is leadership. But critics ask a deeper question. Is this confidence, or control? Is this crisis management, or political theater? Is one man using global conflict to dominate headlines and influence financial reactions? That debate is now spreading far beyond politics. Because when markets depend too much on one person's tone, mood, or messaging, uncertainty grows. Investors stop asking what companies are worth and start asking what one man will say next. And that changes everything. In 2026, Wall Street is still watching inflation. It is still watching the Federal Reserve. It is still watching earnings reports. But above all, it may be watching Trump. Because whether you call it strategy, influence, or manipulation, when Trump speaks, billions move.